Hello you crazy awesome dancers, here are 4 steps to spice up your musicality, footwork, and you can also use them while dancing in partner work. For the first step, stay with your heel on the floor and twist the toes to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. When you go with your toes to the left, put the right foot on your toes. Left to the left, right on toes. So do this, now you push into your right foot and you move the heel. You do again the same position and you push, the same position and you push, and so on. Of course you can do it on the right side as well. You just need to coordinate, push, coordinate, push, coordinate, push. In bachata, you have 2 options. You are either, for example, just dancing and you go straight into it. You can do it for 3 times and a tap. 1, 2, 3 and tap, and then you continue. Or after your first step, meaning you step on 1 and then you go 2, 3 and you tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sin explicación, yo no soy santa, tú no eres fiel, pero tu mano sabe hacerlo bien. Dame ese ritmo, dame ese toque, tu respiración me vuelve un show.
The second pattern, you are going to step forward, you're going to put the ball of your foot into the ground and you're going to push to the side. You can also do it a little bit diagonally if you want a little bit more effect, but it's forward, push to the side, and you come here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Of course you have to do it naturally. Remember to keep your posture straight, natural, and also have that intention forward. So 1, 2, and when I go here, I push with all my weight into the right foot. 1, 2, and 3, and 4.
Sin control, sin control. Tu cintura manda, yo soy el motor. Si tú te vas, me quedo en shock.
The third combination involves a hook turn. You are going to the side in place and forward. It's really important, remember to have that intention wherever you want to move. Side, side, in place, forward. Now I'm gonna come with my left foot and I'm going to pivot. For the hook turn, the variation I am using is gonna be a little bit different. So you go 1 and 2 and I am forward. I come here, I prepare and I shift my weight onto the left foot so I can do kind of a spin. 1 and 2 and 3, boom, tap. Of course, there are multiple other variations. For the hook turn, you can go on the ball of your foot and on the heel, change, and you have arrived. Or you can even kind of trick it into spinning on the heel.
Sin control, sin control. Tu boca cerca y pierdo el rol. Pégate más que esto es calor. La noche grita otra, por favor.
The last combination requires a lot of direction changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. We need to do them fast, so use the ball of your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball, 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 and I go. Continuous looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Last thing, and this one is really important, just check how I use my body and my hands. I need to counterbalance a lot. Ah, 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 ah. Of course, I do it internally, I do it really small, pam, 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 but the body always counterbalances you. That being said, hope you like these steps, learn them because they develop your coordination, your proprioception, your agility, and you can also do them in partner work.
Control, sin